Hi, I'm Julie, Fei-Fan, Balzer, and today I want to talk to you about creating stencils with your ScanNCut, specifically answering a question that I get quite often, which is how do you not get the insides of shapes to fall out? So today we're going to talk about how you do that with your ScanNCut.
I'm here in CanvasWorkspace for Mac, and I have created this stencil design, which I really like. So let's go ahead and cut it out. So I'm going to unload this and pull my stencil off the mat, and I mean, it's a cool stencil, but I think you can see the problem, which is each of these rings, right? The center circle, which I wanted to be inside of here, it's not in there. And of course it makes sense because there's no way to attach it to here. So what we need to do is find a way to attach this center circle so it doesn't end up falling out. So since we lost all those little inside circles, what I want to do is create a bridge, and I'm going to use a rectangle to do that. I'm just going to make it a little bit thinner. Here you go, because you don't need a major bridge. And I just want to put that bridge, see how it goes through both circles all the way, the whole thing. So I'm going to go ahead now and copy that. I'm holding down the Option key in order to create another one. You can also use the duplicate button, but I'm just going to press Option and click, and you can see I get another bar. And now what I want to do is select all of these parts, go over to Process Overlap, and I want to remove the overlap. So if I remove the overlap, it should be now, you'll see if I click on this bar and delete it with the delete key, see that there's now a bridge. And if I click here on the center part and remove it, you'll see now I'm getting exactly what I wanted, which is that half circle. So I'm going to go ahead and remove, by hitting delete, all of these excess parts now that I no longer need, but I'm going to get the stencil that I wanted with the bridges. So whenever you have a shape inside a shape, you have to create this little bridge. That's what that's called, because it's a bridge from this area to that area in order to get that. So now my inside floating circles are going to be able to cut out. So let's go ahead once more and send this on over, transfer the FCM over to the machine, and see how this one cuts out. So let's see how our one with the bridges turned out. Oh my gosh, what a difference. So cool. So this is the original design where I just had the circles and they didn't have a bridge, so of course they had no way to stay inside the circle. But you can see that with the addition of the bridge, now I get to have that inside circle, and that is how you create a stencil that doesn't fall apart.
Thanks so much for watching. For more tips, tricks, and tutorials, be sure to visit my blog at balzerdesigns.typepad.com, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course, don't forget about the ScanNCut website at scanncut.com.